Okay, what's up, everybody? I want to welcome you back to another Renaissance Man do-it-yourself situation. I'm still working on the scooter wheel. Right now, this next step I'm going to do is I'm going to get this tire up off the wheel. What I noticed is these tires are pretty tricky because you would think that like they're all rubber tire, solid tire, that it's all rubber, but no, this tire, I guess because it was made in a factory, there's I'll show you when I take it off, but there's a steel band in this tire, so you can't really use a tire lever and get up in there and kind of wedge it off or anything. You gotta cut it out. Since won't be using it anymore, that's how I figured it out, because I couldn't get the bad boy off. And I said, you know what, I'm just gonna cut it off. And when I went to cut it off, I realized that there was a little steel band on both sides of the tire that I also had to cut off. So that's the first and foremost is I'm gonna get a section of this rubber off and the filling out, and then we're gonna take that steel band off. And there's like up top and bottom, if you can see a little steel in there, I'm going to go ahead and I have some wire cutters that I just had available. I don't know. that's one side. I'm gonna flip it over. Clamping down. You can see that right there. Got the wires off. Flip it over. This other side. There we go. And there we have it. I would recommend working with something that could cut through, you know, a little layer of the rubber and just straight through the wire so they cut through it like butter. Like I said, I'm sure I got something here. If not, I'll go buy something. But that's what I would recommend. Now, time for the unveiling. Unveiling, and this is how we get the old tire off. And I'll show you. This is the factory tire. This is the tire that comes with the Segway Max Plus. As you can see, it's these little metal bands in there. And as you can see in the inside, it's not really a solid tire. It's like an inner tube was supposed to go in here. So this thick rubber right here makes it kind of tough to like work with and get out and everything. So, you know, that's how you get the tire off. We'll be replacing it with this solid rubber tire, as you can see. And I'll be making a video about that pretty soon too, maybe today. But I have to boil some water, because this has to sit in some boiling water to help give it a little give when I'm getting it onto the wheel, and we'll take it from there.